My dear students, we are going to read continuously a series of trigonometry. First video I have discussed AST's rule, fundamentals of trigonometry, and how to solve the trigonometry into converted acute angles. Now we have discussed compound angles. Compound angles means sin A plus B, cos A plus B, tan A plus B. This is the most important question, most important formula. There is also derivation of the formula, but we are not going to how to derive the formula. We have to remember, because since there is short term period, so we can derive, or we will not take more time to solve the or to derive the formulas. Now we have to remember the formula, then how the formula are utilized to find the value of a trigonometric angles. That chapter is compound angles. What is that? That is you have already know, that is sin A plus B. This is the first formula. Sin A plus B means sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B, sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B means cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B, tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So these are the most 6 basic fundamental formula of compound angles. We have to remember all these things. Without remember, we can't go to trigonometry, because trigonometry is a blocky question. Many formulas are given, but we have to remember positively. Definitely you remember. That means, so using this, there are many questions or many formulas are solved. Now, everybody written this one? Now, let us start another thing. That is just, let me erase this. Now, let me erase this. In place of a B, if you put A, in place of B, if you put A, this will be sin 2A, this will be sin A, this will be A, there will be another formula. What is that? That is sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A. It has the tan formula, that is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Cos 2A is 2 cos A cos square A minus sin square A, or 2 cos square A minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square A, or 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. And another is a tan 2A. 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. So sin 2A, cos 2A, tan. This is 11th classes formula. We have to remember this. Using these formulas, how to solve the sum problem? Let us solve the question. Write this. Now, using this formula, we can solve. Suppose a question given, find sin 75. Find the value of sin 75. Everybody written this? Now, let me erase this. We have to find the value of sin 75 degree. That is sin 75 means I can write sin 45 plus 30 degree. Sin 45 plus 30 degree. Now take this is A, this is B. Take this is 45 is A and 30 is B. This one is A, this one is B. So sin A plus B. Now what is the sin A plus B? Sin A plus B is, we know, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That means in place of A, this is sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sin 30. Understood? A being like this, I put this formula. That means sin 45 means this value is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. If you take the LCM, the LCM is 2 root 2. LCM is 2 root 2, 2 root 2. So this one will be root 3 plus 1. So sin 45 plus 30, that is sin 75. So value of sin 75 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So using the compound angle A plus B, we have find the value of sin 75. Now you can, on this way, you can find cos 75, tan 75, sin 15, cos 15, tan 15, sin 105, cos 105, tan 105. These are the your homework. You can, using the compound angles, you can find all these values. So, in the next class or in the next video, I will discuss the multiple angles. How sin A plus B used in the different angles. Now, my homework, I am giving the homework using this A plus B, A minus B formula, find all these values. Cos 75 times like this, you can find all these values. The next video, I will give new things. Thank you.